Diagnostic code P50 is related to a specific problem in the Bank-II position 1 oxygen sensor of a vehicle's heater control circuit. This circuit is in charge of making sure the oxygen sensor quickly reaches the required temperature for precise detection. During the first few minutes of operation, an O2 sensor's accuracy is severely limited if the heater circuit is not damaged and is not functioning properly. The majority of cars have 2 oxygen sensors at the very least, and engines with a V configuration have 4 sensors overall. O2 sensors are placed both upstream and downstream of an automobile's exhaust catalyst in either scenario. Every oxygen sensor in a car measures the amount of oxygen present in spent combustion gases that are sent through the exhaust. After that, the PCM of a car uses this data to determine what fuel delivery modifications are required. DTC P50 indicates that there is a problem with the heater circuit of the Bank-II oxygen sensor, which is the pre-catalyst in a car. Because of this, until appropriate operating temperatures are reached through natural heating, detection accuracy is hampered. As a result, a car may be less able to track overall catalyst efficiency and combustion. To learn more about the P50 code, its causes, and how to correctly identify and resolve the issue at hand, watch the video. Symptoms. Error code P50 frequently associated with one or more secondary symptoms, some of which are more pronounced than others. When attempting to diagnose the problem at hand, being able to recognize these symptoms can prove invaluable. These are a few of the most typical symptoms linked to DTC P50. Check engine light illuminates. Uneven or erratic idle. Lower fuel economy. Causes. There are several underlying problems that can give rise to diagnostic fault code P50, some of which are easier to diagnose than others. Those who are knowledgeable about these possible reasons can frequently speed up the entire diagnostic and repair procedure. Some of the most frequent causes of DTC P50 are listed below. O2 sensor failure in Bank-II. O2 sensor wiring damage. Corroded O2 sensor connection. Failure of PCM. How to fix. The root cause of the P50 diagnostic fault code on your car can be found and fixed with the help of the following steps. As always, before attempting any such repairs, consult the factory-specific service literature for your specific model of vehicle. Check for additional DTCs. You should look for more DTCs before starting the diagnostic procedure. Before moving further, any such DTCs that are discovered need to be properly diagnosed. Inspect affected O2 sensor and wiring. Begin by carefully inspecting the vehicle's Bank-II sensor 1 oxygen sensor. Look for clear indications of damage to the connected wiring and the impacted O2 sensor. It is also advisable to inspect the sensor's connector for indications of corrosion or water intrusion. It is best to fix any obvious flaws before moving further. Check for voltage and ground delivery. It will be necessary to verify that power and ground are present at the affected O2 sensor's connector if no obvious flaws have been discovered thus far. A careful examination of the power distribution circuit will be necessary if any of these are absent. The affected O2 will need to be replaced if power and ground are being delivered in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications for the car. Test PCM. If it appears that the PCM itself may be defective, more testing in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations will be necessary. A thorough diagnostic should always be performed before assuming that the PCM is malfunctioning, because PCM replacement is an expensive procedure. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.